everybody, welcome to the Pug Palace. This is Sadie here, and she is in her palace, and she is going to teach you about Pug Palace perimeter and area art. So I made this for her because I wanted you to learn about perimeter and area. So what I did is, instead of just going with a rectangle, I decided to expand it, and that's going to be your challenge. So what I did first is I brought out my yardstick, and if you don't have a yardstick, you can use any kind of ruler you have. And I measured out 20 inches here, okay? And I marked it 20 inches, and then I marked 10 because I measured that. And this is 5 inches I measured, and 10 by 10. This big long blue line is 30. So what I did is I took my measurements and I put them on a sheet of paper here. All right, so I said, hey, oops, let me move this up here so you can see it. I said, these are the measurements I took down, but now I said, oh my goodness, I'm not sure from here to here what this measurement is. Oh, but I know that from here to here is 20, and from here to here is 10, so this is 20 inches, and this right here is 10 inches from here to here. Oh, and then because that's 10 inches, we know that this is 10 inches. Because this is 5, we know that this is 5 inches. That's 10 inches. This is 10 inches because we know these are all square. So these are all the same length. They're parallel. This is a parallel structure. The palace that she is in is a parallel palace. Dun dun. So our challenge today is to figure out area and perimeter. Area is a review. We've done this. We know that 10 by 10, so the area of that little box equals 10 times 10, which equals 100, right? That's supposed to be inches. And then I know that, oh, this box here, 20 plus 10, that's actually 30 times 5, if I go this whole length. So 30 times 5 equals, well, I know that 3 times 5 is 15. So 30 times 5 is, yes, it's 150. It's windy out here. I hope you don't hear that. 150 square inches. All right, and then 20 times 10 would be 20 times 10 equals 200 square inches. All right, and that is the area of that. So if I add these three areas together, 200, 150, and 100, that would be 100. Area equals 100 plus 150 plus 200. Well, I know that 200 and 100 is 300, and another 100 is 450. So 450, I'm running off my page. All right, area. So now perimeter, let's look at that. Oh, remember, area is the place where Sadie's going to play inside of. That's how much square footage she has inside her palace. But now perimeter, this is like the fence. This is the outline, okay? So perimeter is going around, okay? The outer edge. So to look at, there are many ways to do this. And since we already solved most of these, we have all the known fence lengths. We know that from here to here is 20. Oh, what's this? We didn't figure it out. Well, if that's 20 to here, and that's 10 there, this is 10, yes. 10 inches, because we also know that from here to here is 30. 30 minus 20 is 10. All right, so now we just go around and add all of these up. So what we could do is we could say, oh, 10 plus 20 equals 40. So we're doing P equals 40 plus, oh, now we have 5 plus 20, 25, plus 10, 35, plus 10, 45, plus 10, 55. Let's write that down, 55. Plus, I didn't want to lose track of that. And now we have plus 5, plus 10, which is plus 15. All right, so our perimeter, and I did that pretty quickly. So if you need to go back and review this idea, watch the video again, okay? I'm just trying to get it to you pretty quickly here. Well, we know 40 plus 50 is 90, plus 5 is 95. 95 plus 15 is, well, we know that makes it 110. 110 inches, not squared, just inches. All right, So for our Pug Palace, Sadie, come here. Our Pug Palace is 110 inches and an area of 450 square inches. Are you happy about that, Sadie? Yes. Have a great day, folks.